So this was a very classy session. I just pedal out a little bit before my friends, and it was not too crowded in the morning. And here I will get my first wave, a little right-hander, a little bit of a close-out section in the end. But I tried to get one turn in. Lost my balance. So this is my second wave. This guy pulling back, and it's actually a nice takeoff. But here I realized that the face was kind of mellow. I had to skip the other section. There's another little wave coming in. A little bit similar like the wave before, but smaller and too mellow. And then another one. And here I realized, I jumped over because it was closing out. And then there's another wave coming in here. So left one. Easy takeoff. But not too powerful on the shoulders. And here, kind of was hoping for an end check too, but I didn't find it. Took me a while to pedal back out. I think full pedal back is about 5 minutes. So nice right hander and take here, have another left, which could have been a really tiny barrel. Missed it, got some speed. Kind of fucked up the whole wave, but here's the end. And over here, the last wave, let me go hold down.